Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Battlefield 2042 Portal with bots. First, navigate to the Portal section from the main menu. Here, you will find the option to create a new experience. This is where you will design your custom game. Make sure to enable AI soldiers during the setup process, as this is crucial for including bots in your matches. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you're in the Creation Hub, you can customize nearly every aspect of your game. Pick your favorite game mode, such as Conquest, Rush, or Team Deathmatch. Then, select from a diverse range of maps, including iconic locations. You can also modify game rules, like setting the maximum player count or restricting certain weapons, offering immense flexibility for your experience. A key part of playing with bots is configuring their behavior. You can specify the exact number of AI soldiers you want in your game, up to 64 bots in total. Adjust their difficulty level, ranging from easy for casual play to expert for a real challenge. You can also assign bots to specific teams, ensuring balanced or unbalanced matches as you prefer. After customizing all your settings, it's time to launch your game and jump into the action. Simply press the Host or Start button to begin your custom Portal experience with bots. You can also share your unique game mode with friends or the wider community. Don't forget to save your custom settings so you can easily revisit your favorite bot matches anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.